It's time to clean out your emotional cobwebs. Flowers, birds, and lovely weather are on the way, but spring also brings on certain types of stress unique to the season. We think of all the coming holidays like our kids' spring break, Easter, and Passover. All of the spring cleaning tips and related expenses and allergies are about to kick in full swing too. It seems like you need money every time you turn around for travel, clothes, gifts, and home repairs. But don't worry. All you need to do is a little spring cleaning. You can easily manage this stress. One of the easiest ways to overcome stress in your life is to treat it like a simple spring cleaning task. Use simple tips and small changes to clean out your life the same way you would clean dust and cobwebs out of closets and cupboards. Here are me spring cleaning tips. Just remember the acronym SPRING or SPRING cleaning. S is for serenity. Rid your mind of pesky cobwebs. The opposite of stress is serenity. When practicing serenity, the body experiences the relaxation response where blood pressure and heart rates drop, and the immune system gets a boost. Meditation eases the pain by reducing the brain's response to pain. Affirmations reduce stress hormone or cortisol levels. Listening to music releases a calming chemical called serotonin into the body. Laughter increases artery diameter by 22%. Chronic stress reduces it by 35%. P is for pause. Rest for a minute, pause, and review your work. Even when you are down and dirty spring cleaning, give yourself a little break. Be sure to pause throughout your busy day. You can take a few minutes to text, call, or email a loved one, or you can just sit and be silent and take a few minutes to calm your mind and soothe your nerves. R is for ritualize. Organize your energy. Establish daily rituals by setting aside time just for you or time for family togetherness. Simple everyday rituals help reduce stress and help create positive mental health. It's as simple as eating a meal together, whether at home or out, taking a bath or reading a book before bedtime. Create events to look forward to throughout the week. The simple expectation of a night out or time alone or together creates anticipation and fosters a shared sense of excitement. I is for intention. Polish your purpose to a high shine when you live with intention. Listen to what ignites your passion, energy, and love. Listen to what drains you, distracts you, and irritates you. These are clues to becoming more aware of what you love and what stresses you. You may not control many of the circumstances in your life, but you can choose your attitude and intentions in response to circumstances. Create the intentional life you desire. N is for nature. Sweep your worries out the door literally. Get outside. Take the time to reconnect with nature. There are innumerable health benefits when you get outside and experience ecotherapy. Planting a beautiful garden can be a great way to relieve stress. Whether you have a small patio to decorate or a vast amount of space to tend, the act of making your particular stretch of nature into a haven can be a stress reliever in itself. The garden you create can bring you nourishment and peace. Just being outside, basking in the sunlight to get your vitamin D, and enjoying the beauty of your surroundings will make you feel better. G is for give. Dust off your working clothes and discover a place to visit monthly to cultivate your altruism or helper's high. Teach your children the value of helping others and create a family bond. You could help an animal shelter with cages and maintenance once a month. Join Habitat for Humanity to build a home for a needy family in your community, or volunteer at a women and children's shelter where you can cook, play, or read to the children. To discover more about this and other topics, visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.